So guys, if your car is pulling to one side, then you must know that your car wheel alignment is already out and your tires are slowly getting destroyed. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find out if your car wheel alignment is out, because by using simple science you can check by yourself before your car tires wear out or before your car becomes unsafe to drive. First I will tell you guys how to find out if your car wheel alignment is out, and then I will tell you what to do if it happens. I will demonstrate to you practically guys. I will take my car on a drive and I will show you practically how the steering wheel rotates, what you must check, how you must drive your car while checking and all that stuff. So don't worry, it's going to be a very interesting video. So guys, the first sign on which you should come to know that your car wheel alignment is out, and that is guys, while you are driving your car on a straight road, it will start to pull on one side. Even while driving on a straight road, you will have to get your car again and again to go straight by rotating your steering wheel. Otherwise it is not going straight, it is going on one side. You will feel the pull guys, you will feel the pull. Once you feel the pull, you must know that your car wheel alignment is already out and your car tires have already started to worn out. Now the car can go on the left side or the right side as well guys. It could be either sides. But if you feel the pull, then you must know that your car wheel alignment is out. So now I will show you practically how it should look like when you are testing it. Okay guys, so here I am calm near my car. I will go inside of my car now and I will rotate the steering and I will show you guys one time. While I am rotating the steering, just have a look at the tire as well. So here I have rotated my steering. As I am rotating it, how the tire is moving, you guys can see that here. Now when you get your steering wheel back in the middle and when your steering becomes completely straight like this, at that time your tire should be also facing right straight. If it is slightly on the left or right, then your car will get pulled on that side. I will rotate the steering on the other side and I will show you guys. Now again I will get the steering in the middle, and as you guys can see, the moment I kept the steering wheel straight, my tire also became straight. Now I will rotate the steering slightly and I will show you guys how the tire turns. So here I have turned the steering wheel a little bit and you guys can see how the tire has moved. So if your steering wheel is straight and if your tire is even this much out, then your car will go on that side guys. So here I have brought my car on a straight road now. I am driving it on a straight road now. And the moment I leave the steering, as you guys can see, my car is going straight even when I have left the steering. Now don't do this type of testings on a slope, and see that you only do it on a straight road guys, because sometimes the road creates an illusion. You feel that the road is straight but it is slightly curved, and that is the reason why you feel that the car is going on one side. So see that you find a straight road first guys. Now here I am driving my car on a slope. Now this road looks straight but it is not straight guys. It goes slightly on the left, but if you look at it just like that, it looks straight. So you should not be testing on this type of roads. The second sign on which you will come to know that your car wheel alignment is out is that your steering wheel guys will not be straight. What I mean by that is, you are going on a straight road, your car is also going straight, but your steering wheel is tilted like this, it is facing slightly this side, but you are going straight. Once that happens, you must know that your car wheel alignment is out already. So now let's see practically how it looks like when you are driving. So guys, here I will show you guys with the help of editing what I want to show you guys, because the alignment of this car is proper. Now I have kept my steering straight and my tire is also straight now, as you guys can see. But guys, if you keep your steering like this on the side, but here the tire has also moved, but if your steering is in this position and your tire is straight, have a look at the tire how it is moving guys. So if your steering is in this position and if your tire is straight, then your alignment is off. Okay guys, the third sign on which you can come to know that your car wheel alignment is out, and that is, go and check your tires right now. If your tires are worn out only on the edge, on one side only, mostly it happens on the inner side of the tire, then you should know that your car wheel alignment is out already and it is eating up your tires. This happened to my brother as well guys. He drove the car without doing the wheel balancing, wheel alignment. He did nothing, but he drove it for 20,000, 30,000 kilometers. We could see the rods coming out from his tires. Why it happened? Because he didn't know that he had to do that guys. That is the reason why I am showing you in this video what you have to do about it. His wheel balancing was out, his alignment was out, but he still drove the car like that only guys. So we'll have a look at my car tires closely and I will show you guys what you have to check. When something happens to your tires, your money starts to disappear, guys.
Now as you guys can see, this is my car tire. These are my back tires, but you will have to check your front tires, guys. Both my front tires are new tires, so you won't be able to make out anything there. But these tires were in front first. Now I have put them at the back. Now the inner side of your tire, guys. Now my tires here are not that bad, but the inner side of the tires will become totally rounded. All the grooves will disappear faster. When that happens, guys, you should know that your tire is getting worn out on one side faster, which means that your alignment is out already.
The fourth thing on which you can come to know that your car wheel alignment is off, and that is, guys, when you go above 40 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour speed, your car will become highly unstable. It will be difficult to control as well. Once that happens, it can be a sign that your car wheel alignment is out, guys. So while driving your car, you should notice all these signs, guys. Before you didn't know all these things, but now you know all these things, and now you can figure out what is happening to your car and what to do about it. Moving on to the fifth sign on which you can come to know that your wheel alignment is off, and that is, guys, when you turn your car on a curve, your steering wheel will not return properly. You guys know after taking a turn, the steering wheel returns back immediately. If you've been driving a car for a while now, you guys will know it. So if it doesn't return, then guys, you must know that your car wheel alignment is out. So practically I will show you guys now how that looks like. So let's go.
So here at the moment I'm sitting inside of my car, and here I have to take a turn. As I complete taking the turn, just have a look at how my steering comes back. As you guys can see, I was very slow here. That's why it did not come back so quickly. But I will show you guys on another turn. As you guys can see, I will take this turn, and this is a very deep turn. The moment I left the steering, as you guys can see how it is returning back, and I am not even holding it. So like this, if your steering wheel is not returning properly, if you have to get it back manually every time and it is very difficult to return it, then that can be a sign, guys, that your wheel alignment is out.
Okay guys, okay, so now I will give you a quick clarity. Some people think that if their car met with an accident, that is the time that their car wheel alignment goes off or out. But that is not the case, guys. It happens because of the bad roads. It happens because of the potholes that are there on the roads. It happens because of the speed breakers. Now it depends how you drive your car. If you are going on those potholes and speed breakers on full speed, then guys, your car wheel alignment is going to go off very quickly. That is the reason why on the speed breakers and in the potholes, you should drive your car slowly. You should protect your car, protect your suspension, and that way your wheel alignment will last longer. So now what you should do to stay safe? Do the wheel balancing and wheel alignment every 6 months, guys, even if it is not out. Also, if you feel that you have driven your car on too many potholes and you have gone on the speed breakers too many times and you have gone on full speed, then guys, you will get that feeling that you should go and do the wheel alignment of your car. Also guys, if you are replacing the tires, if you are putting new tires on your car, that is the time also, guys, that you should do the wheel balancing and the alignment. And if you notice any 1 or 2 signs which I have told you in this video, then don't waste your time, guys. Immediately go and do the wheel alignment and wheel balancing of your car. Don't wait till your tires are finished, because your tires are expensive but alignment is not. I have already made videos on what is wheel alignment, wheel balancing. You can definitely go and check those videos out as well. There you will come to know what exactly is done with your car. Having said that, I am hoping that this video was useful to you, and I am hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.